everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to report fraud in Chime. So first, open your browser and then type report bank fraud Chime and then click on the first blog. So this is blog which is uploaded by the Chime official website, so you can read this out for yourself. Now, here's how to report a scam or bank fraud. So if you have a reason to believe that your bank account or financial information has been compromised in any way, then take the following step. First is call your bank. Reach out to your bank right away when you suspect fraud. A bank representative will tell you what you need to do and explain the process. Now, second option is inform the major credit bureau. So you should also contact one of the 3 credit reporting companies like Equifax or Experian or TransUnion to place a fraud alert on your account. Now the last step is contact the Federal Trade Commission. Call them at their number, and you can also reach out to them at online using this link, and you can file an identity theft report and retain it for your records. And that's it for this video. If this video helped you out, then like this video, comment down below, subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.